Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Did you know that something as simple as neglecting your car's basic needs can cut its performance by as much as 30%? Yes, that's right. Many drivers make these mistakes without even realizing it. But don't worry, we're here to help you avoid them. In today's video, we're covering 10 things only careless drivers do to their cars. If you're making any of these mistakes, you might be turning your ride into a money pit without even knowing it. Stick around to the end and we'll show you how to keep your car in tip-top shape. 1. Using dish soap to wash your car. First up, dish soap. I know, it's sitting right there in your kitchen. It's cheap, and it seems like it would get the job done, right? But here's the thing, dish soap is designed to break down grease and oil, which works great on dishes, but it's way too harsh for your car's paint. When you use it, you're not just removing dirt, you're also stripping away the wax and protective layers that keep your car's paint safe from the elements. Over time, this can cause fading, cracking, and even rust. So, always use a car-specific shampoo that's gentle on the paint but tough on dirt. Your car will thank you. 2. Overfilling the gas tank. Next, let's talk about filling up your gas tank. You've probably tried to squeeze every last drop of gas into your car, thinking it'll save you a trip to the pump later. But did you know that overfilling your tank can damage your car's evaporative emission system? This system is meant to handle fumes, not liquid fuel. Overfilling can ruin parts like the charcoal canister and lead to costly repairs. So when the pump clicks off, stop right there. This is the perfect amount, and your car's fuel system will be happy. 3. Using hot water to deice the windshield. Alright, wintertime mistake alert. It might seem like a quick fix, but pouring hot water on a frozen windshield can cause the glass to crack or even shatter. The extreme temperature change puts stress on the glass, and it can weaken over time. Instead, use an ice scraper or dicer spray, or just let your car's defroster do its thing. It might take a few extra minutes, but it's much safer for your car in the long run. 4. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. We've all been there. That little warning light pops up on your dashboard and you think, "Hey, it's probably nothing." Well, guess what? Those lights are trying to tell you something important. Whether it's the check engine light or the oil pressure light, ignoring them can lead to major damage. A small problem today could be a huge repair bill tomorrow. So, don't ignore them. Get your car checked out as soon as possible. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. 5. Ignoring rust spots. Rust might seem harmless at first, but that little spot can grow into a big problem. Rust doesn't just ruin the look of your car, it weakens the metal and can cause serious structural damage. It's especially important to keep an eye on areas you can't always see, like under your car or around the wheel wells. If you spot rust, treat it early. A little sanding and repainting can save you a lot of headaches later on. 6. Driving with a cracked windshield. A small crack in your windshield might seem like a minor issue, but it's actually a big safety hazard. Your windshield is a key part of your car's structure, and a crack weakens it, making your car less safe in a crash. Plus, cracks can get bigger over time, especially with temperature changes or bumps in the road. If you see a crack, get it repaired before it becomes a serious problem. 7. Overloading the vehicle. We all love to pack up for a road trip, but overloading your car can do some serious damage. Extra weight puts unnecessary strain on your suspension, tires, and brakes. It also affects how your car handles, making it harder to stop quickly and increasing the risk of an accident. Always check your car's payload capacity. You can find it in the owner's manual or on a label inside the driver's door. If you're hauling heavy loads often, maybe it's time to consider a truck or SUV designed for the job. 8. Using cheap or wrong spark plugs. Spark plugs might seem small, but they play a big role in your car's engine. Using cheap or incorrect spark plugs can cause misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and even long-term engine damage. Always use high-quality spark plugs that match your car's specifications. It may cost a little more up front, but it'll save you big on repairs down the road. 9. Installing oversized wheels without proper modifications. Big, flashy wheels might look cool, but if you install them without thinking about the impact on your car's performance, you're asking for trouble. Oversized wheels can mess with your car's suspension, alignment, and even its braking system. Plus, the extra weight puts a strain on important components like your axles, If you must go big, consult a professional to make sure your car is properly modified to handle those wheels. 10. Driving on underinflated or overinflated tires. Finally, let's talk tires. Underinflated tires can cause poor fuel economy, uneven blowouts. Overinflated tires, they reduce traction, make your ride bumpier, and cause uneven wear too. To keep your tires in good shape, check the pressure regularly. Aim for the pressure recommended in your car's manual or on the door sticker. It might seem like a small thing, but it's a huge part of your car's safety and performance. So, there you have it, 10 mistakes that can seriously harm your car. Now that you know what to avoid, you'll be able to keep your car running smoothly and save yourself some expensive repairs down the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you have any other tips or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Auto Repair.